What's up, party people? Today we are going to make some elote, which is also known as Mexican street corn. I freaking love Mexican street corn. We've been to Mexico thousands of times, and it is one of my all-time favorite things to get. Of course, this time we're gonna make it totally vegan. Traditionally, Mexican street corn has all sorts of mayonnaise all over it and sour cream and like all the dairy and cheese that you could possibly imagine. So we're gonna make a super easy and simple veganized version that has all the flavor, and it's so freaking good and pairs perfectly with a shot of tequila. So let's get started and make some street corn. So first up, we're gonna make some walnut meats. I've made this before on IGTV, but the walnut meat is one of my all-time favorite meat substitutions. You can use it as like a topping, a seasoning, or you can use it straight up as meat, like in a taco or even like a pasta sauce or something like that. But this is gonna go perfectly sprinkled on top of our elote for that nice little crunch that we always really like to get. So let's make this.
¡Ándele, mamita! ¡Cubanos!
So now that we have our seasoned walnut goodness made, we're gonna go ahead and make our cashew cream. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I'm obsessed with cashew cream because it is the perfect filler for mayonnaise, sour cream, heavy cream, literally you name it, creaminess, cashew cream hits the spot. So let's make our cashew cream. So now we're gonna prepare our corn. Always buy organic if you can find it, and we're just gonna husk our corn off. Oh shit. All right, y'all, there you go, Mexican street corn. As you kind of eat the top, you can slowly start to dip the rest in the extra toppings around the outside. Or if you don't like to eat the corn on the cob, you can always cut it off first and then put the toppings on top too. That works super well. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, leave us a comment, and share with a friend that you know would love this recipe. I'll see you guys in the next one.